Flight gives birds many advantages, but there's a period in their lives when they're forced back down to earth. The nesting season. This is the time when they are at most risk, so they must find the safest possible location. Few go to greater extremes than lesser flamingos. They nest in the remotest corners of Africa's caustic soda lakes. Like their reptilian ancestors, birds lay waterproof eggs. Despite this, flamingos still protect theirs on special mud-stacked nests, as the lake is prone to flooding. It's also just a little cooler up here. Temperatures at ground level can reach a blistering 50 degrees centigrade. Once a chick hatches, it spends the first 6 days in the nest. This is when it's at its most vulnerable, totally reliant on its parents. The caustic mud deters predators. But the adult flamingos can cope in this quagmire because of their long, scaly legs. Any chick that slips from the nest, however, is treading on very dangerous ground. This parent encourages her chick to climb back to safety. Raising chicks requires huge parental investment in both time and labor, wherever you are.